Hello. Today I'm taking you to the South East of Iceland to tune and fix a few problems in a Goodway piano. Goodway pianos are made in China. I will fix some bobbling hammers, fix some wavy strings in the discant, and straighten a few hammers that were not hitting the strings well. Follow me and enjoy. So I have to cut this. Okay now. Here I'm checking the damper felt. The night damper is going between the strings and the hammers. And the end of the felt is not straight, so I have to take this away from the felt when I'm not using the damper. I don't want the felt to be in between the string and the hammers, so I have to make it nice. I have to check the dampers and the pedals. They are not in the right position, so I have to put the pedals into a right position. The hammers are not going straight to the strings. They are bending. The shank is some little bending there, and I have to heat them up and make them straight so they are not hitting the dampers on the left or the right side, and also that they go straight into the string and sounds better. Straight now. It was like this before. Now it's straight. Fitting better to the three strings. It was like here before, like this. Before I bent it back again, it was like here, like this, and now it's straight on it. I see that the strings are not sitting well on the bridge, and there is a little air from string to the bridge, and that makes extra sound, some extra waves in the strings if they are not sitting well on there. Can you hear the sound? Wow. Can you hear it? It's not straight. So I'm just knocking on them to make them sit well on the bridge. I have to do the same for every string here. Take a look at it here. The metal is softer than the strings, so I'm not damaging the strings. If I knock it on, the string inside where the bridge is. Where the bridge is, tick, because this is softer than the strings. It's much better now. There's a little bubbling hammers here. I see that the let off in the piano, then the mechanism is not right, so I'm just putting them into right position. So the hammers are not bubbling and they are hitting well and the mechanism is working well. First I had to tune this first string of the double core because the strings are touching this one, so if I do something here and here, then I have to tune it again because if I move this one, it's touching the string here. It's a gap here, this one this one here, it's better to take first the first string and then the second string after that. And when I start moving this one, I always touch this one, so I have to tune it again. So it's better first this row and then after that this row here. Every second string, two. Also, these tuning pins are very loose in my piano, so it's not touching this. I have to take a little because they are bending, they're going like this, you know, not straight, they're going like, and then the hammer is not straight on the strings. If this is the strings, comes straight to it, it comes like this to it. So hit one or two much, like here. It's not hitting these two strings well, only this one. This makes the sound so metal sound. So I have to shape a little bit of them. I have to shape. So the metal sound is away. Like here. All of them. So the metal sound is not longer there. Here is a family member keeping me company. He enjoyed the tuning and he wanted to be tuned as well. Það fara niður. Það fara niður. Ekki vera lagstur, lagst á bakið. As you can see, this client is happy and will give me a fat tip. Det så gott. Ja, det så gott. Det meira. Det meira. Det meira. Ja, meira. Meira. Ég held áfram. Closing her eyes. See it. Ja, gott svona. Ja. Meira. Þetta meira. Komið gott. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions. Till next time, bye bye. Sjáumst seinna.